In the evening of Thanksgiving 2009, my son took me to the hospital. My son was in Las Vegas at the time. I had, my right leg was burning red, and they, at that time, transferred me from Grimsby to St. Catharines General, where that following Friday they took off my leg below my knee. And shortly after that, I ended up, I think approximately around November the 1st at Schaefer, Hotel du Schaefer Hospital, where of course I didn't know what to expect. I've never had a greater experience in my lifetime, and I've been through quite a bit. But this has been the best experience I've ever had. It taught me an awful lot about how to live, what living was all about. The people that helped me here, the staff, and the kinesiology, Eric and my trainer and the physio, Nancy, you can go on and on. Everything was just like it was supposed to be here, and much more than my expectations ever imagined. The staff treated me with respect and dignity, and in return, I treated them the same way. I can't think of one bad experience about this place. I like to, and I will in the future, donate financially to this institution. When I came in here, I was 221 pounds. When I left out with a good diet, I was down to 181. Due to the good diet I was on for a diabetic, plus I had the opportunity to work out at my time, or any time really. The nursing staff was very, very good. I can't say enough about the recreational staff. The recreational system that they had with the girls running it, they helped me out immensely. We went to the casino, which was great. I loved it, you know, I won money. And we went on trips for dinner, for shows, whenever I could go. Okay, when I was here as a patient, I was here for my particular problem with a prosthetic. I was here a very short time. But in that time, I made very good friends with several people, which we've had dinner with since I've left many times. We used to have conversations. There was a bunch of us used to sit at meals together, and they would ask me different things about if they were hurting somewhere, what was to do, and the only answer I had was do it, just do it. Whatever they tell you, do it, and the stronger you get, the sooner you're out of here. I miss the staff. They were very good to me. If I didn't feel like doing something, Eric was right beside my bed, getting me ready to go. When my prosthesis was 4 days longer than expected to come in, when they came in at 10 after 5 at night, Eric was up beside my bed saying, "Your prosthetics are in." The next morning we were down and we started doing our work. And I walked the first day in my prosthetic. The second day I was climbing the steps, because he challenged me to things. I accepted the challenge, I take the challenge, and anybody that can follow that can be in and out of here in a short period of time. And because there's a lot of people waiting to come into this hospital. I think the biggest thing is, you know, the people were so good to me, and I know they didn't have to spend a lot of time with me, especially with other patients around which were worse than I was. Much worse than I was. I wanted to go to Hotel du Schaefer to get on with the job and get back on into society as I see it. And I couldn't, there's no other place in this region I could go. Where would I go? Hotel du Schaefer has satisfied my whole life with this problem, and they've looked after me, and now it's up to me to look after myself. I can't think of one problem I've ever had here, and I would do anything for this hospital.